In today's lesson, we are going to learn about 20 everyday Nuer phrases. Let's begin with the meaning of these phrases. How to say hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up means pasni. Pasni. How to say come on. Come on. Bir. Or you can use bia. Bir is for singular and bia is for plural. Come on, bir or bia. How to say come on, let's go. How to say come on, let's go. Berseka chanjien. Berseka chanjien. Or you can simply say it ber chanjien. Number 4. How to say may I come in? May I come in? May I come in is ende berech. Ende benrech. May I come in? Ende benrech. How to say yes, of course. Yes, of course is berech. You can also replace it with on. Yes mean on or berech. Yes, of course, berech. Number 6. May I use the telephone, please? May I use the telephone, please? And the let ke telephone. Language. Here we are going to replace this. Please mean liamaj. And the meaning of may I use the telephone, please? And they yat let put hand they yat ke telephone do. And they yat ke telephone. May I use the telephone, please? And they yat ke telephone liameji. Number 7. How to say would you mind if I borrow your book? Would you mind if I borrow your book? Jin deri kwok mkamia bogdo. Here we are going to change the whole things here. That's not the translation. Would you mind if I borrow your book? Dere knock. Come near bogdo. Sometimes you can use dere knock come near bogdo. Or you can say de bogdu den. De bogdu den. Because we are using borrow. Would you mind if I borrow your book? Dere nok kamya bogdu. Or you can say dere nok ide bogdu den. Dere dere nok de bogdu den. That is number 7. Dere nok de bogdu den. Would you mind if I borrow your book? Number 8. Could I borrow your pen for a minute? Could I borrow your pen for a minute? The meaning is jin dere much. Here we are going to change the whole thing. Okay, the whole stuff here. This is totally not correct here. We're going to change that. Could I borrow your pen for a minute? De galam du den. Okay, gua tot. We can put it that way. Could I borrow your pen for a minute? De galam du den ka gua tot. Okay, with question mark. You can put that. De galam du den ka gua tot. Number 8. Number 8. Number 9. Could you do it a little faster, please? Could you do it a little faster, please? Jindiro jakapet. Jindiro jakapet. Here, please is liamaji. Liamaji. Jindiro jakapet. Liamaji. Could you do it a little faster? Here we can change this sentence also. You can say like, could you do it a little faster? Shije de lat kapet. Liamaji. Shije de lat kapet. Liamaji. Could you do it a little faster, please? Here again, number 10. Please hurry up. Please hurry up. Pesni kib konjan. Please hurry up. Please hurry up mean pesni kib konjan. Number here, please hurry up or we will be late. Okay. Number 11. Show some speed, will you? Manifest. Show some speed, will you? Manifest. Yin brolong. We can simply use manifest. Show some speed, will you? Manifest. Number 12. Stop. Stop here mean shungni. Shungni. Or kep ni chong. Kep ni chong. You can use that. Kep ni chong. Stop. Stop shungni. Or kep ni chong. Number 13. Please stop shouting. Please stop shouting. Here you can say lemaji ko deribit. Lemaji ko deribit. Lemaji ko deribit. Please stop shouting. Lemaji ko deribit, or you can say it lemaji shural. Lemaji shural or shujawdu kapnial. Number 14. What time is it now? What time is it now? How to say what time is it now is eta di entama. Eta di entama. How to say it is 6:30. How to say it is 6:30. Eta bakel kanus. Eta bakel kanus. Number 16. Thank you. Thank you. How to say thank you in Nuer? Chiloida test. Chiloida test. Here, remove that. Chiloida test. Not Chiloida test, Martin, but Chiloida test. Thank you, Chiloida test. Number 17. How to say 6 o'clock. How to say 6 o'clock. Tabakal. Tabakal. Number 18. How to say 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock. Tabaro. Tabaro. How to say 6:10. 6:10. Tabakal mitewal. Tabakal mitewal 6:10. How to say 6:30. 6:30. Tabakal miteke jendiok. Tabakal miteke jendiok. Please make sure you have the channel by subscribing, and do not forget to drop, comment, and like the video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.